Hi, in today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called Offernation. We're going to be finding out exactly how you can earn money and points on Offernation, and also how you can actually draw that money out in cash, easy to your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's jump over to the website itself and go through it bit by bit so you can find out exactly what you have to do to earn money with Offernation. So here we are, we've landed on the offernation.com website, and as you can see, it's all about completing online surveys for money. But before we go and show you how easy it is to actually go and join, and also to get your free bonus that you can actually get once you do join, let's just go and just show you exactly a little bit of background about Offernation before we go and do just that. Okay, so I went over to a site, obviously Trustpilot, and as you can see from Trustpilot, they are a verified company on Trustpilot. They've claimed their profile and they've got a 4.4 rating with 723 reviews, which is classified as excellent. So as you can see, everything's pointing towards a great site here that obviously does pay out, etc. They also have replied to 100% of the negative reviews. So if they have got a negative point here, they will actually go and jump on board and obviously try and sort out the problem you have, which is great to see. Now they've also been around from, if you go on to who.is, they've been around since 2008. So obviously that is nearly 14 years, guys. So they've been around, so tried and tested. They've also got a good social media presence as well, as you can see here. As you can see here, they've got a Facebook page, and that Facebook page has got 2,000 people liking the page, and they're pretty active on the page as well, and I'll tell you very shortly why you'd actually need to go and join the Facebook page and the Twitter account as well. Twitter account is all up and running. They've got over 4,000 followers, and again, it's worthwhile if you're on Twitter to go and follow them as well. So okay, we found out that obviously Offernation looks like a really good site to go and join. So let's go and show you exactly what you've got to do to go and join. So like I say, come across to offernation.com. I'll leave a link in the description here below. Just click that link and that will take you through to this page. You can obviously log in from this page as well, but we want to join for free. So literally just click on the join free. And as you can see here, it then brings up this page here, the registration page, and that's all there is to it, guys. You've just literally got to put your full name, your login info, and email address, current address, obviously in postcode, etc. And then you also need to fill in your payment accounts. So if you want PayPal, you need to put in your PayPal email here. Skrill as well, they also do Skrill payment, and they also do a Bitcoin payment as well. So you need to obviously put your account details in there. You need to check obviously all these boxes about whether you've read their terms and conditions, privacy policy, and obviously I would always recommend that you do that before joining any program online. And then just obviously verify yourself that you're not a robot. Click the register button. You'll get sent an email. Just click the confirmation in the email, and then obviously you will be good to go and crack on and start earning money. Let's jump into the back of Offernation and show you exactly how the site works. Okay, so I've come onto my account. Like I said, I've just signed up a few minutes ago, and I've obviously got a cash balance here of 64 cents, which isn't a lot. And like I say, with all these survey sites, any of these survey sites that promise you're going to get $40 for completing a task or a survey, normally scams, guys. And you can check most of the scams out on my actual scam playlist that you've obviously can get above here. So make sure you check that out to make sure that you're not joining any sites that are already a scam. From here, there's plenty of places where you can actually go and earn money, guys. You've got the surveys, and then it gives you a list of all the different surveys that you can actually go and take. So there's absolutely loads there. You've also got offer walls as well, and with the offer walls, these are going to be more like signing up to websites, downloading apps, maybe playing games. You've also got Lootably here, and I've actually done a video about Lootably recently. And you can earn points on Lootably, which you can then transfer across to Offernation. But make sure you check out my Lootably video I done recently, because that goes into certain things you need to know about Lootably before you actually join it. So make sure you check that out above here. I'll put a link in the top right hand corner. Now, another way you can actually go and earn from Offernation is through referrals. You can actually refer people to Offernation, and you can actually earn 25% on their referral program. So that means that every time your friend earns $1, you will earn 25 cents. Okay, so it gives you your link here. So all you have to do is copy this link and then go and obviously share that to friends, family, or if you want to go onto social media sites or even a YouTube video, etc., you can go and do that. There are some banners here as well that you can use on websites and banner ads and that sort of thing. So you check that out if that's something that obviously appeals to you and you think you could earn more through referring people as well. And if you actually scroll down on the side here, this also gives you some of the latest surveys. So this one here, you can actually get $4.86 for a 17-minute, obviously, survey there. Now remember, with survey sites, you're not going to be accepted for everything. So the more information you can give them by filling in your profile, the more chance you have of getting married to the surveys that you are going to be able to take. Okay, so make sure you obviously do that. And don't forget, you could find out different ones on these surveys. Some will be better for you than others. I always find that the paid surveys is very good. You normally find that a lot of their surveys are quite short, but obviously you do get accepted for them as well. So that is always a good one that I've found to actually go and use. Now, once you've obviously earned a balance, you can then obviously go and pull it out. And the good thing about Offernation is a $1 threshold you actually have to meet before you can actually pull out, which is brilliant, because that just means, like I say, I've only been on here a few minutes, just taking a couple of surveys, and I've already got to 64 cents. And as you can see, that one survey, if you got accepted to do the $4 survey, then within 17 minutes you would have enough to obviously cash out, and then you can withdraw that straight to your PayPal or your Skrill, and again you can use obviously Bitcoin as well. So all in all, guys, I definitely have a look at Offernation. It looks obviously a very good site. It's been around for a long time. And make sure, like I say, to check out their socials as well, the Twitter and the Facebook, because they do give promo codes away. So you could actually earn extra cash and that by obviously adding in the promo codes as and when they are offered on their actual survey, on their actual social sites such as Twitter or Facebook. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.